maybe this is mean and all, but I like when people struggle putting wiper blades on cars. Is that just me being mean? Or is it kind of funny? Literally no idea. Plus, if he does get that wiper off, that arm is gonna spank the window and break that window. Only at Advanced Auto. Still struggling. I'm not gonna lie. Building a drag car or a fun car to drive or a fast car, or building anything can sometimes be stressful. But we have people that are counting on us and who want us to represent their company to its fullest. And that's what I'm gonna do, guys. Let's head to CSP. See, I'm not the only one who has issues on the dyno. All cars have issues on the dyno. Just saying. Round 27. Alrighty guys, well we have her all strapped down and we're gonna get ready to make our first base pull and get things rolling. I'm getting excited. Hopefully this time we can actually make some power and do this the right way. We got Max over here. Unbelievable. Well yes guys, as I was saying, we have the pump issue resolved. We're hoping everything else is good to go. The smoke issue I did resolve, everything like that. So everything is looking good to go. Don't just ignore that I don't have a plate on the back of here. But anyway guys, we're gonna make some pulls. We're gonna hopefully get a good baseline for here and at least get it tuned. If I can't max it out today, we're at least gonna get a great baseline and it'll be 100% drivable. Instead, I've been risking it for the biscuit. So drains down that fast. pressure looked good. $741 and $619.
Weak sauce, boys.
Guys, go to Max's channel and tell him to buy a real car.
He loves me.
Hey, we're done. 'Alright guys, so there you have it. The car made $741, which I'm ecstatic because anybody that knows that I talked to, I told them, you know, as long as the car makes 700, I'm happy, I'm content. 700 on a street car is, you know, it's good power. The only thing I worry about is braking, like the rear end, you know, the transmission and things like that. So that's why I wanted to stay where we're at, but we are going to move up eventually, just not now. I don't have the funds and things like that to, you know, tear up a rear end, to tear up a transmission. So we're gonna leave it at 750. We're gonna have fun and we are going to send it for sure, guys. So if you guys like the content, please smash that like button, please subscribe, and we're gonna get a track day going on here very, very soon, guys. You are gonna love what this thing does. So I will see you guys in the next video. All right guys, so I did want to also say that I am truly thankful and blessed to have, you know, such great subscribers and everything like that. If you don't know, I did start a GoFundMe because I did get my hospital bills in the mail and everything is added up and everything like that. And the total cost for everything like that, because my insurance and everything, was $11,600 and some change. So everybody that has donated to help me get that paid, it truly means so much to me, guys. Like, you have no idea what that means. Like, from the bottom of my heart, like, thank you all who have donated and who donates. You know, it truly does. You know, I've said it a couple times. It's kind of hard, and at first it was a little embarrassing to, you know, ask for help, but I want to get that out there, guys. That sometimes everybody needs a little help, whether it be, you know, lending a helping hand working on a car, or, you know, just, you know, helping somebody put a fence up at their house, or, you know, helping somebody clean, or, you know, financial. It's, everybody needs help at some point in their life, and I'm blessed that you guys are reaching out and able to help me be able to, you know, keep my future going and things like that. So again, guys, I do want to say thank you. I do have the GoFundMe on my Instagram. If you guys want to donate, I truly appreciate that. Basically, you know, I don't know if anybody knows or not. I know a bunch of everybody does, but I did have a heart attack a few months ago, and the bills were pretty expensive, to say the least. So thank you guys so much. I just wanted to, you know, shoot this out there. My Instagram is SendIt_Steve, and I truly do appreciate all the support, guys. So thank you, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned.